Utara Rational World, selamat pagi Rational World. Today I'm going to make kimchi from this daikon. Okay, so this one is Japanese radish, like this one. That time I bought it with discount. Jadi pagi ini saya akan buat kimchi loba Jepang daikon. Nah, can you see this one is 42 point. So 42.96 ruble, hanya 42,9 ruble. Ini di diskon ya. Harga aslinya berapa ya? So the real price is 186.15 ruble. Harga aslinya original price 186, 186,15 ruble. Nah, yang ini harga ini jadi setengah, lebih daripada setengah. Ini 42. So first of all I have to clean and then peel and then cut into cube. Ini akan saya potong, kemudian saya bersihkan, baru kita kasih garam. After that we spread of after that a bit blur before, it's okay. After that I will put salt. After I already cut, I will put salt and let it for a while until water from daikon becomes goes out. After that we will clean again. Nah, jadi ini saya akan cuci bersih, kemudian saya potong dadu, baru nanti saya baru nanti kita kasih apa nama itu? Dikasih garam supaya dia air-air dalam daikonnya itu keluar. Baru nanti kita cuci bersih, oke? This daikon, I even didn't know the taste of daikon. Let's taste one. Mari kita coba ya rasanya. Well, it's like radish, bitter. And hot. Oh yeah. So a bit different. It's a bit hot. It's not even a bit hot. Very hot. Pedas-pedas radish ya. Yes, okay. So I'm going to use salt first to let it warm first, okay. And I cut into cubes. Now we are going to put 2 tablespoons of salt and 2 tablespoons of sugar, and we let it rest for 30 minutes. But each of 10 minutes we have to make it like this. Jadi ini saya akan kasih 2 sendok dulu gula. So that sudah 2 sendok gula, after 2 tablespoons of sugar. Put kosher salt here. Kosher salt itu gimana ya, kayak gini, jangan banyak-banyak, nanti dia kasinan. Nah, ini dari sprinkle like this is kosher salt, 1 tablespoon and 1, so total 2 tablespoons of salt. And then we mix. You can use your hand, but better use spoon. Setiap 10 menit kita aduk, kita gini-ginian sampai dia mencapai 30 menit, oke? Okay? 30 minutes with get rid of water in another place. Kita sudah 30 menit, sekarang kita sisihkan airnya ya di tempat lain. Okay, I put 1/4 cup of paprika powder. It's not paprika powder, it's sweet chili pepper powder. Ini cabai nggak terlalu pedas ya, 1/4 cup aja. Kemudian green onion, if you have fresh one use, but I use dry one, around just a bit. Jadi daun bawang ya, kalau ada yang segar 4 batang, iris-iris. Kalau nggak ada yang segar pakai yang kering seperti saya. Nah, kasih ginger sih. So this one I didn't mince my ginger but I grate it, so just a bit. think not all I will use, just a bit. And then we put ini jadi jus dari jahe tadi ya, sedikit aja, jangan banyak-banyak nanti jadi rasa jamu. So we put a quarter cup of soy sauce. If you have fish sauce, go ahead. I don't have, so I substitute with soy sauce quarter cup. 1/4 cup kecap ikan kalau ada, tapi saya nggak pakai karena nggak ada. Jadi saya pakai 1/4 cup aja soy sauce. And 6 cloves of garlic you mince 6 siung bawang putih yang besar ya, large garlic you mince dicacah. Kemudian 1/3 cup of leftover juice, 1/3 cup ya, 1/3 cup. 1/3 cup itu gimana? Segini. This one. 1/4 cup, around 85 milliliter. This one, the leftover juice. Yang jus tadi ya, jus dari from Radish. Now we mix using gloves because it's hot. Sekarang kita aduk menggunakan sarung tangan. Don't forget to put like this one and press so there will be no air there. So you should put into glass or jar like this. Tekan-tekan. Kalau bisa semuanya dapat ya. Possible all you can mix this together. Baru dituang airnya. Put like this. I hope it will be fit somehow. No, I don't know. Okay, now done. Taste is good. I already tried. So we have to put here and then totally tight, and then after that let it in room temperatures for 1 to 2 days. Jadi sudah itu kita tutup rapat, biarkan di suhu ruang